Okay, Billy, I'm here. So what's the big deal?
Pablo, it's only an hour until the party and we have so much to do.
Okay, relax. I'm here for you.
And a good thing, too. Okay, first the kitchen. Lava los platos, por favor.
Ay, Capitan.
What took you so long? Okay, now the dining room. Pon la mesa.
You got it.
You're going to have to work faster, Pablo. Okay, next, the bedrooms. Haz las camas.
Gee, Billy, no one's going to go upstairs.
Pablo, I thought you wanted to help.
Okay. Okay, Billy, what next? Hey, wait a minute. You haven't done anything yet. That is just so totally unfair. I've been working while you've been goofing off.
Relax, Pablo. Don't be so uptight. We're all done. You need to relax more and worry less. Come una galleta.
Me? Worry? What are you talking? Ooh, chocolate chip. My favorite.